In the silent expanse between the stars, a realm of unimaginable distances and cosmic mysteries, Voyager 2 drifts, a solitary sentinel, our distant faithful messenger, venturing into the unknown. For decades it's diligently sent back data, a constant stream of information, its voice fading, growing fainter as it journeys farther and farther from home, pushing beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Then, one day, something changed. A subtle shift in the cosmic symphony, a whisper barely audible. A signal not in the plan, an anomaly that defied expectations. Hidden in the familiar data, buried beneath the routine telemetry, was a new pattern. A ghost in the machine. An unexpected guest, traveling 19 billion kilometers across the vast gulf of space to reach us. It wasn't a clear message, a distinct and easily understood communication, but a subtle, unsettling deviation, a perplexing irregularity. NASA's engineers, ever vigilant, noticed the carrier wave waver, fluctuating in a complex, repeating pattern, a structured sequence, structured but not of our design, hinting at an alien origin. It was a mathematical language, a complex code, embedded in the transmission, a secret handshake, a coded greeting, from the edge of the solar system. Voyager 2, now a pioneer in interstellar space, suddenly spoke in a new voice, a transformed signal, challenging our understanding of the void, forcing us to reconsider what we thought we knew. The implication, a profound and unsettling possibility, the emptiness isn't empty, that the vast cosmic ocean teems with unseen presences. Something or someone noticed our tiny emissary, our fragile messenger adrift in the cosmos. The story of Voyager 2 gained a mysterious new chapter, a twist in the tale, a cosmic puzzle, not just a technical glitch, but a profound enigma. Our probe, sent to learn about the universe, to explore its wonders, might have become a conduit, a bridge, for the universe to speak back, to reveal its secrets. Now, we must listen to the unexpected whispers on the interstellar winds, to the echoes from the void, and wonder what they mean for us all, for the future of humanity and our place in the cosmos. To truly grasp the gravity of this signal, its potential implications and the sheer scale of what it might represent, we must remember the epic journey of Voyager 2, a mission that has redefined our understanding of the cosmos. Launched in the distant year of 1977, a time when disco reigned and personal computers were just emerging, it ingeniously took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a celestial ballet that occurs only once every few centuries. This alignment allowed Voyager to slingshot past the immense Jupiter, then onward to Saturn, with its majestic rings, further still to Uranus, a mysterious blue-green world, and finally to Neptune, the last of the gas giants it would visit. Along the way, it revealed the existence of volcanic moons like Io, the secrets of stormy atmospheres, swirling with clouds and colossal weather patterns, and the dynamic wonders that make up our diverse and fascinating solar system. Voyager 2 holds the unique distinction of being the only probe to ever visit the distant ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, offering us unprecedented views of these remote worlds. It tirelessly sent back invaluable images and data that fundamentally transformed our understanding of these distant planets and their place in the cosmic order. After completing its grand planetary tour, a mission of discovery that captivated the world, it sailed onward, venturing into the unknown depths of space, finally crossing the heliopause, the boundary of our solar system, in 2018, and officially entering the vast expanse of interstellar space. Now it stands as our first and only sensor in the space between the stars, a lonely pioneer charting the unknown, a silent sentinel standing guard at the very frontier of human knowledge and exploration. Its primary mission has shifted, evolving from planetary science and exploration to the uncharted territory of interstellar exploration, a realm of cosmic mysteries. Voyager 2's incredible journey is a powerful testament to the boundless human curiosity that drives us to explore, constantly pushing the boundaries of what we can know and understand about the universe we inhabit. The probe's continued transmissions, faint whispers from the void, are far more than just streams of data. They're like postcards sent from the very edge of the unknown, messages in a bottle cast into the cosmic sea. Each faint signal is a poignant reminder of just how far we've come in our quest for knowledge, and of the immeasurable distance that still stretches before us, beckoning us to explore further. Now, with the emergence of this new and perplexing anomaly, a cosmic riddle wrapped in an enigma, Voyager 2's ongoing story, and its role as our interstellar messenger, is more vital and relevant than ever before. It's as if the universe itself has just sent us a cosmic postcard, a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown, and it's written in a complex and mysterious language that we are only just beginning to learn how to decipher and understand. For years, Voyager 2's transmissions were steady and predictable until June 19, 2025. Suddenly the carrier wave changed, oscillating in a complex, repeating sequence. The anomaly wasn't in the data, but in the signal itself, a mathematical ghost haunting the transmission. Engineers at JPL checked for malfunctions, but diagnostics showed all systems were healthy. The probe was functioning perfectly, yet the signal was anything but normal. The pattern was too intricate to be a simple hardware failure. It had the hallmarks of intelligently structured information, but matched no known protocol. It was as if someone had added a new layer of meaning to Voyager's message. The familiar whisper from the void now carried an alien echo. The team realized, this was not a random glitch. Something or someone had altered the song of our distant explorer. The mystery deepened and the world's attention turned to the stars. Voyager 2 was no longer just reporting home, it was carrying a message not of our making. At JPL, an initial wave of confusion washed over the team. The unexpected signal sparked a flurry of questions and concerns. But as the anomaly was confirmed, a sense of urgency began to build. The atmosphere crackled with adrenaline as the team realized this was no ordinary glitch. Voyager 2 is more than a machine to its engineers. It represents years of dedication, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a companion, a voice from the edge of our solar system, a testament to human curiosity. The first step was to rule out the ordinary, to exhaust all conventional explanations. Was it interference from a terrestrial source? Or perhaps a cosmic phenomenon, a burst of energy from a distant galaxy? But all checks and validation procedures pointed to the signal being real, originating from Voyager 2 itself. The data was unique to Voyager 2, a fingerprint that set it apart. Voyager 1's signal remained unchanged, a stable baseline against which the anomaly stood in stark contrast. This further isolating the event to its twin Voyager 2, deepening the mystery. Sophisticated computer simulations designed to mimic every conceivable scenario failed to replicate the pattern. The signal defied explanation with known physics, pushing the boundaries of their understanding. The atmosphere shifted from scientific curiosity to palpable tension. This was no routine glitch triggering standard protocols, but a genuine cosmic mystery, a signal unlike anything they had ever encountered. Secrecy was crucial at this stage. The information was highly sensitive. Premature speculation could spiral out of control before the facts could be properly assessed and verified. Experts in radio science, with years of experience deciphering the whispers of the cosmos and astrophysics, masters of theoretical frameworks and cosmic models, meticulously dissected the signal, searching for any semblance of meaning, any clue to its origin. The underlying pattern was deeply mathematical, hinting at an underlying structure. It seemed to echo fundamental constants of the universe, but arranged in a novel and unprecedented way, defying easy categorization. It was elegant in its complexity, complex beyond human comprehension at first glance and undeniably artificial, bearing the hallmarks of intelligent design. Voyager 2 was still broadcasting its own telemetry data, its vital signs and scientific measurements, but superimposed upon this familiar stream was a new, enigmatic layer, a hidden message from the unknown. The realization dawned upon the team. This wasn't simply a broken or malfunctioning machine sending out corrupted data, but a machine faithfully reporting something extraordinary, something beyond our current understanding. The problem was no longer a technical one, a matter of fixing circuits or recalibrating instruments. It was existential, forcing them to confront fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. The universe had sent us a puzzle, a complex and intricate message encoded in the language of mathematics, and we were compelled, driven by an insatiable curiosity, to decipher its meaning and solve the cosmic riddle. Decoding the signal was a monumental challenge. It wasn't binary or digital, but a smooth analog wave, far more sophisticated than anything we'd seen. The team became cryptographers, cracking a code from an unknown intelligence. The breakthrough, the modulation mapped onto a three-dimensional fractal. Self-similar, infinitely complex. This was not a glitch, but artistry and design. Embedded in the fractal were ratios matching the energy transitions of hydrogen, the universe's most common element. The signal seemed to say, "We understand your physics." It was a universal greeting, written in the language of the cosmos. Deeper still, the team found what looked like a map. not of stars, but of the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. It was a map of the universe, but from a perspective far outside our own galaxy. The implication, whatever sent this message was ancient and not from around here. The ghost in the machine was not just intelligent, it was galactic. Voyager 2 had become the messenger for a civilization beyond our imagination. With the signal partially decoded, explanations ranged from mundane to extraordinary. Some clung to the idea of a complex failure, a 1 in a trillion cascade of errors mimicking intelligence. Others speculated Voyager 2 passed through a natural phenomenon, imprinting a mathematical pattern onto its signal. But the most compelling theory? Extraterrestrial intelligence. Perhaps a civilization detected Voyager and used it to send a message, embedding a greeting in the universal language of physics. This wasn't an invasion, but a subtle act of communication. Voyager 2 became their messenger, sending a signal back to its origin. The evidence fit: complexity, mathematical elegance, and a cosmic map. The probe's systems were untouched. Only its voice had changed. Humanity was forced to confront the possibility: we are not alone. The Voyager 2 anomaly has changed our perspective forever. If it's a glitch, we must rethink the reliability of our deep space technology. If it's a natural phenomenon, it suggests the universe is more structured and information-rich than we imagined. But if it's a message, everything changes. Humanity has crossed a threshold. The void has whispered back. The existence of another technological civilization would force us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. It's a moment of hope and humility, proof that survival and contact are possible. The next step, how do we reply, becomes the most important question in human history. This is no longer just for scientists, it's a question for all of humanity. The Voyager 2 anomaly is a mirror, forcing us to ask who we are and who we want to become. Our journey into the galaxy has truly begun. Voyager 2 is now under intense observation. Every fluctuation in its signal is captured and analyzed worldwide. Scientists are sending new commands, not to fix but to probe the source of the modulation. Each experiment is a slow, patient step in interstellar communication. This event will reshape space exploration, inspiring new probes designed to listen as well as look. SETI's search will broaden, seeking subtle, information-rich signals hidden in the cosmic noise. Voyager 2 continues its journey, its power slowly fading. Soon, its voice will fall silent, and the mystery may remain unsolved. There's urgency now. A limited window to listen before our connection is lost. The universe has given us a fleeting chance to understand. We must seize it before the song of our most distant explorer fades forever. Voyager 2 is the story of us, our curiosity, our hope, our drive to explore. It carries our music, our languages, our dreams drifting in the silent sea between the stars. This new transmission, whatever its origin, adds to its legacy. The universe is not empty. It's filled with wonders we can't yet imagine. Voyager 2 wasn't searching for alien signals, but it may have found one. Exploration brings surprises sometimes, what we need, not what we expect. These probes are our avatars, extending our senses across billions of kilometers. Their discoveries are ours, their journey is our journey. The Voyager 2 anomaly reminds us the adventure is far from over. The universe is still full of mysteries and we have a front row seat. As Voyager 2 continues its voyage, it inspires us to keep asking questions. It pushes the limits of our technology and our imagination. Out there in the beautiful darkness, the next discovery is waiting, we just have to listen.